Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. We're going to learn about different types of animals that live all around the world. Are you ready to explore the globe with me and find out what animals live around the world? Let's begin. Let's choose a country. We're going to choose Australia. Let's learn about what animals live in Australia.
The koala lives in eucalyptus forests and woodlands in eastern Australia. The koala has special cheek teeth that help it digest the eucalyptus leaves it loves to eat. Koalas get their water from these leaves, so they don't often need to drink water. The koala spends most of its life in trees and can live about 15 years in the wild. The Goodfellows tree kangaroo can be found in Papua New Guinea. Their strong arms makes them great climbers, and their long tails helps them keep their balance while leaping among branches. Mother tree kangaroos nurse their newborns in a pouch in their abdomens.
Let's choose another country. Let's choose China.
Wild yaks are found in the tundra and cold deserts of the Tibetan Plateau in China. They are large, horned animals with shaggy brown fur that keeps them warm in the cold. They are very large animals and can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms. Some of the yak's adaptations to the cold include eating snow and ice for water and having a low number of sweat glands, which helps keep it warm. The wolverine is a large meat-eater found in the tundra and taiga regions across the northern hemisphere. They often eat dead animals, including reindeer, whale, and sea carcasses, and also kill other animals such as sheep and deer. Wolverines are active animals who can travel long distances, climb trees, and swim rivers.
Let's learn what animals live in Africa.
The ostrich is found in the savanna and desert regions of Africa. Though they cannot fly, ostriches are strong runners. They can sprint up to 70 kilometers an hour. They may use their wings as rudders to help them change direction while running. An ostrich's powerful, long legs can cover 3 to 5 meters in a single stride. Their legs are also formidable weapons. Ostrich kicks can kill a human or a potential predator like a lion. In the dense forests, woodlands, and deserts in sub-Saharan Africa, you can find the African elephant. There are 2 types of African elephants, the larger African bush elephant and the smaller African forest elephant. The African bush elephant is the largest animal that lives on land. An adult African elephant's trunk can be 2 meters long and can suck up more than 7 liters of water all at once.
Let's learn about the animals that live in South America.
Throughout many parts of South America lives a capybara. Also called carpincho or water hog, capybaras are the largest living rodents in the world. Although they look round and stubby, with a barrel-shaped body and short head, the capybaras can run as fast as a horse and are equally as good at swimming in the water. They can even sleep in the water at night by sticking their nose out above the surface. Living in Central and South America, the howler monkey is one of the loudest New World monkeys. They make loud calls, which can travel nearly 5 kilometers to mark their territories so other monkeys don't move in. They have prehensile tails, which means they can purposefully move their tails to grasp onto objects or tree branches to keep their balance. The howler monkey mostly feeds on leaves.
Let's see what animals live in India.
Throughout the Indian subcontinent lives the cheetal, also known as the spotted deer. This species of moderate-sized deer have a reddish-brown coat completely covered in white spots. The bottom parts of their body are completely white. Cheetahs are quiet animals that graze for grasses and shoots to eat. Male cheetahs can sometimes stand on their hind legs to reach tall branches. The slender loris is found in forests in India and Sri Lanka. It lives in trees, and its tiny hands are adapted to grip small branches. The slender loris is nocturnal, and it feeds mostly on insects. They typically have a lifespan of 15 years.
Let's see what animals live in New Zealand.
The kiwi is a bird that is native to New Zealand. It is an unusual-looking flightless bird that is roughly the size of a chicken. Kiwis can live up to 50 years in the wild and mainly eat worms, bugs, and berries. Instead of building nests, kiwis dig burrows in the ground, in the swampy forest or grasslands where they live. Across the southern hemisphere are large seabirds like the albatross. There are many kinds of albatrosses, like the great albatross, the sooty albatross, and the mollymawks, to name a few. Albatrosses have a large bill that ends in a hook, which helps them dive into the ocean to feed on krill, squid, and fish.
Let's learn what animals live in Russia.
The polar bear is found near the ice of the Arctic region. Their thick fur and blubber keeps them warm in the cold. They eat seals and spend most of their time on sea ice. Climate change threatens their habitat. Native to Siberia and many parts of Asia and Europe, the lynx is a group of medium-sized cats that live in forested, mountainous areas. Their paws have sharp, retractable claws that they use to hunt for food, which includes rabbits, squirrels, rodents, boars, and deer. Lynx have a short red or brown coat covered with black spots. They are known for their exceptional eyesight.
Thank you so much for learning about animals that live all around the world with me. That was so much fun. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.